The doctor has a noble profession. A doctor's duty is to treat and cure sick people. In this profession, one must have an intention of serving humanity. Unlike many other professions, a doctor treats people belonging to different religions, castes, and creeds. Doctors have always been at the forefront of peace and war. During this COVID 19 pandemic, doctors are the front warriors, and only due to their effort, India is stable in spite of its huge population. Doctors are being boosted to a demigod status. They are receiving the blessings of the entire country in the form of an organized celebration. Lastly, I say a doctor is a person next to God. GDDAV Public School organized different online competitions for National Doctors Day to pay humble tribute to them. These online competitions were Get Up of a Doctor for Standard LKG and UKG, Draw the Different Type of Masks competition for Standard 1 and 2, Online Paragraph Writing competition for Standard 3 and 4, Online Card Making competition for Standard 5 to 7. Now, let us come to the winners of these competitions. Get Up of a Doctor competition for Standard LKG and UKG. First, Pranav Pathak of LKG, Ashriya Niti of UKG, Adya Jaiswal of LKG. Second position, Priyanshu Raj of UKG, Akshita Chaudhary of UKG, Anushka Sinha of LKG. Third position, Rajveer of LKG, Kavya Kumari of UKG, Vaidehi Bharti of UKG. Consolation prizes, Anmol Kumari Rai of UKG, Shivansh Sharma of LKG, Arav Kumar of LKG, Khyati Raj of UKG, Trisha Kumari of LKG, Aradhya of LKG. Online competition draw the different type of masks for standards 1 and 2. First, Satvik of 2C, Jay Shri of 2A, Anuj Jha of 2A. Second position, Vivan Rawat of 1A, Mir Anas of 2C, Pratyaksha of 1A. Third position, Om Kumar of 1A, Adya of 2A, Vivan Kumar of 2C. Consolation prizes, Ansh Ranjan of 1B, Kanika of 1B, Advik of 2A, Priyanshi of 2B, Arsh Sheikh of 2B, Vivek Murmu of 1A. Online paragraph writing competition for standard 3 and 4. First, Ayan Chatterjee of 4A, Naisha Rawat of 4B. Second, Ananya Angel of 4C, Amitanshi Sri of 4A. Third, Naisha Bhardwaj of 3A, Shreya Kumari of 4D, Amar Goswami of 3C. Consolation prizes, सुप्रिया समृद्धि of 4A, Ahakna Sandilya of 4A, Harsh Priyadarshi of 4D, Anvi Raj of 3A, Arya Kumari of 3A, Siddhi Saraiya of 3A. Online card making competition for standard 5 to 7. First, Tanisha Mehto 6A, Arav Jaiswal 5E. Second, Gaushia Khatun 6C, Ananya Bharti 6D, Rajni Kumari 6C, Avani 7C. Third, Arya Kishore Barnwal 5E, Roshan Kumar 7E, Jeenat Praveen 6B. Consolation Prize: Soumya Shri 7A, Anushka Bharti 5E, Akanksha Jha 7A, Arushi 5E, Sujal Verma 5B and Koyal Rai 5E.